tumba.
What's prediction mo?
Kumita, dog.
First, the challenger of this bout, the pride. Okay, General Cometa, the challenger will be in the red corner. Boxer Sherwin Daculio. Gold with white trunks. Official weight 104.7 pounds. He has a boxing record of 4 victories, no defeats. One of his wins coming by way of a knockout. The battle ready and battle tested. The pride of RJP boxing team, Davao City. He will be fighting as challenger. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you, Boxer Jerome Cometa. And he's the one across the ring, fighting out of the blue corner to my left. He wears the green with white trunks. Official weight 104.7 pounds. He has a boxing record of 5 victories with only 1 defeat, 1 bout, even, and 2 of his wins coming by way of a knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the fighting pride of Mandawi, Cebu City, the Philippines, the defending Philippine Youth Minimum Weight Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Sherwin Daculio. 3 judges with scoring at the 10-point pass system. Boxing official, ringside physician doctors, Clement.
Championship, 8 rounds of boxing. Sanctioned by the Games and Police Board. Protect yourselves and follow my commands. Let's go. Back to your corner.
Here we go, mga idol. First round action, mga idol. Bishop Victor versus
Patasan, kasi awin.
Pasensyoso lang eh, pasensyoso lang. Pasensyoso lang.
Action.
Take.
Kumpang yan, kumpang. Padali.